Now the report, execution of the process validation report and adoption this process validation to the commercial manufacturing method. After the successful completion of the process validation, cross-functional team shall make a meeting, that is by so called as quality review meeting by CFT. Cross-functional team which includes production, QC, PPIC, QA, R&D, safety, engineering and water validation peoples. I mean the water plant people. So these are all the departments are the commonly by so called as CFT, that means a cross-functional team. This cross-functional team should make a review meeting after completion of the process validation to take the recommendations. After completion of the validation, whatever the changes you have to take, for example, during the critical process validation, if you have mentioned the 25 to 30 degrees centigrade, but they have recommended the 27 to 32, that is one kind of the recommendation. If you need to take the vacuum, if you have mentioned in the process validation 500 to 600, then they recommend the 600 to 700, that is the recommendation. So from this validation, you have to adapt these all the things into the commercial mode, that should be covered in the recommendations in the process validation report. After completion of the process validation report, they will prepare the commercial BPCRs, ECRs and equipment, ECRs means equipment cleaning reports, and in process and what are the documents affected for the as part of the recommendations. These all should be take as the recommendation part, and these all should be covered in the commercial mode. And in the commercial mode, after completion of the commercial mode, again they will check the quality of the product, and if the successfully it is in the state of the control, and then this product should be continued for the continuous manufacturing. And after completion of this manufacturing, after completion of this 1 year of this commercial mode, they will prepare the APQR. Again, if any changes are coming, if any changes are happened in this APQR, they will mention they will monitor the continued process checking, continued manufacturing process checking. If there is no abnormalities observed, then this should be adapted continuously and permanently. If any changes are happened, then again this may be take for the revalidation. This is the report generation to the commercial mode. So this is the process validation procedure, and however some of the contents not covered here, that is the how to take the sampling plan, means what is the locations for the vacuum dryer, what are the locations for the centrifuge, what are the locations for the reactor. These all should be covered, and these all should be taken as the attachments in the manufacturing protocol, I mean the manufacturing process validation protocol. So this has to be, you people has to refer in your organization or in the internet. That's all. So this is the process validation concept completely. If you have any doubts, you may make the comment, you drop your comment in the comment box, and I will give the answer. And if I have missed to tell the any topic, I mean any contents in the process validation, you may tell. Again I will make the one more video. Thank you. If you like the video, share and subscribe to your friends to reach this channel into the public. Please support my channel and please support. Thank you.